Alright, hello everyone, my name is Megan. If you're new to my channel, welcome to welcome back. If you cannot tell by the title of today's video, we are cleaning, we are decluttering. It's gonna be another little Sunday reset. I did film one of these a couple weeks ago. It's probably posted about a month ago at this point, where I just kind of went through like my bedroom, cleaned it up, decluttered it a little bit. Well, actually my decluttering footage is gone. I can't find that SD card at all. But today we're gonna go ahead and do my bathroom. My bathroom is going to be like renovated, not renovated, but like updated here probably in the next few months. So like, you know, stuff like this, it's fine. Wallpaper is missing in some places because we were trying to check out the wall behind it. It's a whole deal. But basically, I'm just gonna go through. My bathroom needs like a moderate clean. It's not gonna be like a deep clean, but I'm also not just gonna like wipe things down. Like it's gonna be, we're gonna get in there, we're gonna do some scrubbing. But mainly, and what I'm most excited for is the declutter portion of this. I have so much stuff. Most of this will probably be kept just because this is what I use, you know, pretty regularly. But we're gonna go in here later and just really organize it, reorganize it, get rid of the stuff I don't need, don't want, don't use. So with that being said, we're gonna start with the cleaning. I'm not gonna go too into detail, but like also over there needs to be addressed. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start with the cleaning, and then I will leave a timestamp if I can remember to do that, if I can figure out how to do it like on like after publishing, where we can like timestamp it and then it can like jump to declutter. So if that's all you want to see, I'll find a way to like make that part known. But yeah, so with that being said, let's go ahead. It's a Saturday, but we're gonna call it a Sunday reset. And let's just go ahead and get in and clean my bathroom and declutter a lot of stuff.
Your gaze upon my shoulders, I'll go. Heartbroken from the pressure. All I need is someone to stand by. Said all I need is one more sleepless night.
Okay, so the cleaning portion is finished and I'll show y'all that at the end. What we're gonna get into now is my declutter part of this. So I have a box for everything that I'm just going to like donate or trash. It's all gonna go in one box, so I'll sort it out later. But this is what we're working with. It was organized at one point in time. It's still moderately organized, but like not phenomenal. That's like all my curl care products. That's, you know, dry shampoos and hairsprays. I have some sunscreens there. That's supposed to be brushes. Those two are like, you know, period stuff. That's random, you know, teeth whitening, like odds and ends. you know, hair or body care, or what am I saying? Hair removal. So like there's wax in there, there's razor heads in there. Those ones are just medications. Like there's structure to it, but honestly, there's just too much stuff and I do need to go through it. So I'm also probably gonna go through some of that stuff up in the shower. I don't know how much is gonna be there to like actually get rid of, but I don't know, maybe something. So with that being said, I think I'm just going to kind of like push y'all back, prop you about here, and then probably just go through it like row by row, you know. And yeah, if I'm keeping it, I'll keep it. If I'm getting rid of it, it will go into that box. So yeah, here is the before, and let's jump in.
Your gaze upon my shoulders, I'll go. Heartbroken from pressure. All I need is someone to stand by. Said all I need is one more sleepless night.
let's look at it now. So obviously this is where we just were. I have cleared out a ton of space. That is everything that I'm getting rid of. Some of like the packaging, if I put things back in, like I put in a ton of pads, I just threw the packaging like away. But other than that, that is everything that is either going to be donated or trashed. I will go through it, update my inventories, figure out what needs to be donated or given away, and what just needs to go straight in the trash can. But that's everything. That's gonna go downstairs with my skincare stuff. That's down like in the kitchen area. I have like a kitchen closet, and like all my beach towels and stuff like that goes down there. But anyway, up here is hair care tools. That's just like random stuff. I have some, you know, like cotton balls and like makeup remover or makeup cleansing balm. Oh my god, what am I saying? Makeup brush cleaner. There we go. I did end up throwing away all of my nail polishes, so all of those are going to be in there right now. I get my nails done. I just started getting pedicures regularly too though, because I would only use my nail polish for like you know, like actually doing my toes, but since I'm getting my toes done now, I just went ahead and tossed all that because otherwise, like, I really don't use it. So all the ones that are still good, somebody else can use. Other than that, they'll just go away. But yes, this is now like my curly hair care products stuff. That's just where I keep my like hair towels and whatnot. This is oral care and oral care adjacent. Q-tips, hair care, like, you know, heat protectant sprays, leave-in shampoo or leave-in conditioner, stuff like that. Those are my brushes. This is just a tub with like plastic bags in it, because if I don't have plastic bags up here, I won't put a plastic bag in my trash can, and then I just don't take my trash out. So it's a whole thing, but that's just plastic bags. This is another just like random things. I have some DHM detox. I have a singular thing of skincare in here, just random little things. And then again, like, you know, menstrual cups or menstrual discs and pads. All of this is my project pan stuff, but my non-makeup project pan, so check that out in the cards if you're interested. And this is just, you know, things that are kind of too tall to fit anywhere else. And then this is like my actual medicine and medicine related things. So that is what all of this looks like, which honestly, I am impressed. I feel great about this. Very proud of myself. So if we go ahead and just close that, I did forget to film it, but I did end up tossing one shampoo and one conditioner. So that's one thing that's changed up there. But all in all, my bathroom is much cleaner. I usually keep this closed, but I figured I would leave it open just to show y'all what it looks like now. So there we go. This is from the Magnolia Farms line at Target, if anybody is interested in my shower curtain. It's super cute. But yeah, that's Nick's stuff, which he now has space. If he wants to move into here, he has space to do so. But yeah, and then that's where I keep my extra toilet paper. And again, my sink is clean. And yeah, I'm feeling pretty good about it all. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, I appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up down below and leave a comment if you feel inclined to do so. If you want to see more of me in the future, go ahead and subscribe down below as well. If I play this out correctly, my next like clean with me is supposed to be my kitchen, and that one I literally cannot wait. I'm so excited to do the kitchen, so come back for that. But yeah, other than that, I hope you have a great rest of your day or night wherever you are, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.